In today's video, we are going to show you how to draw arrows in chess.com mobile app. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to know is right now, chess.com mobile app does not have a built-in feature to manually draw arrows during the game. Let's say we're gonna play with bots. Okay, so as you can see, you have no option to do it like the web browser version. Many players have requested it for years, but it hasn't been fully added to the mobile app yet. Okay, but you might see arrows in some places like hints or bot features, but not as a free drawing tool. But don't worry because we are going to show you a workaround. Number one option is go to your Google Play Store if you are using an Android or App Store if you are using an iOS. Go to the search and type in draw on screen. All I have to do is install it, and once it's installed, click the open. This is useful if you mainly need arrows for learning or analysis. Now from here you can start floating draw tool. You can choose a pen. For example, here you can draw arrows directly on chessboard. You are basically drawing on top of screen, not inside chess.com. You need to remember that. And you can, of course, you can choose from different color if you wanted. Okay. And basically that's it for today's video on how you can draw arrows on chess.com using your mobile app. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.